Hello student, welcome to video lecture of class 10th. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you physics. Now start your first chapter is electricity and this is your fifth lecture in this chapter. In previous lecture we discussed about factor on which the resistance of the conductor depend, where we studies about a format and we discuss a new term resistivity, and we discuss some numerical problem related to that. In preceding section, we also learned about some simple electric circuit. We have noticed how the current through a conductor depends upon its resistance and potential difference across its end. In various electrical gadget, we often use resistor in various combination. And today we discuss a new topic, combination of resistance. There are two methods of joining the resistance together. First one is series combination and second one is parallel combination. First we discuss series combination. Now, what is series combination? If different resistance are joined end to end along the same line and there is only one path for flowing the electric current, then such combination are called series combination. That is, what is series combination? In series combination, each resistance are joined to end along the same line and there is only one path for flowing the electric current, and such combination are known as series combination. How can we show in series combination in circuit diagram? Now here, this is the combination of series combination. That is the, here three resistance are given. First one is R1, second one is R2, third one is R3. There are three resistance are given and there is a source of V and current flowing I. And here three resistance here in twin connection are given, and there is only one way for flowing this current. There is one way for flowing the current. So this connection is a series combination, and here mathematical representation are given as R net equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the expression for mathematical expression of the combination. This can also be written as RS, where RS represent this S for series. RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is, equivalent resistance of this circuit is R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here one note is, in series combination the equivalent resistance is equal to the sum of individual resistance. How we get mathematical expression for this series combination? We derive this format: derivation of mathematical expression for resistance in series combination. Let R1, R2, R3 be the resistance connected in series and I be the current flowing through the circuit, and V1, V2, V3 be the potential difference across the resistance R1, R2 and R3 respectively. Here in the given circuit, three resistance are given R1, R2, R3, which are connected in series because there is one way for flowing the current, and potential difference is R1 is V1, potential difference is R2 is V2, potential difference R3 is V3, and current flowing through the circuit is I, and this is the ammeter for measuring the current, and this is the voltmeter, and this is the combination of cell, and this is the switch. This is the electric diagram of circuit diagram for series combination. Now applying the Ohm's law for each resistance, that is, for R1 we apply Ohm's law. We know that Ohm's law mathematical formulation is V is equal to IR. For R1 V1 is equal to IR1, for R2 V2 is equal to IR2, and for R3 V3 is equal to IR3. This is known as equation number 1. If V is the potential difference across the combination of resistance, then V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. How can we written as this form? Let capital V is the potential difference across the combination. That is, in whole circuit there are capital V is the potential difference across the whole circuit, and we written as V total potential difference across a combination of the resistance in series is equal to the sum of potential difference across the individual resistor. Here individual resistor potential difference V1, V2, V3, so we written as sum. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, which is equation number 2. If Rs is the equivalent resistance of the circuit, then according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, V is equal to IRS. That is, Rs is the equivalent resistance. Here 3 resistance are given, and we solving this R equivalent, we get Rs, and assume Rs is the equivalent resistance of the circuit. So according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IRS, which is equation number 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3 we have, in place of V we putting IRS, in place of V1 we putting IR1, in place of V2 we putting IR2, in place of V3 we putting IR3, written in this form, and after this we get Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the mathematical expression for series combination. Behalf of this series combination, we find some important result of series combination, which are: first one is, when two or more resistance are connected in series, then equivalent resistance is higher than the individual resistance. That is, if there are two or more resistance in series, then the equivalent resistance is always higher than the individual resistance. Second one is, when two or more resistance are connected in series, then same current flow through the each resistor. That is, in series connection, every resistor have a same current flowing. And third one is, in series combination, the voltage across the combination is equal to the sum of voltage across each individual resistor. That is be written as previous, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Now, this is the important result of this series combination. On behalf of this lecture, you can solve your homework. Write and learn about series combination, and read about parallel combination on your textbook. Thank you.